In this guide, I'll show you how to teleport to a temple in Minecraft. So the first thing you want to do is go to your settings in your world, and then under world and game on the left side, you want to scroll down on the left side under game settings until you get to world options. From here, you want to toggle on show coordinates. Then you want to scroll down on this page and activate cheats. Now, once you do this, if you have a look in the top left corner, you'll see your current position, and then what we're going to do is open up chat and commands. Now at the bottom, you want to type in slash locate space structure space temple and then true at the end and press enter. Now if you have a look in the top left corner, you'll see where the nearest temple is. So you have the option of actually going over to that location or you can teleport there. So what we're going to do is reopen the chat and commands, and mine's around minus 900, and we're going to put around 100 for the y since it doesn't give us that, and minus 3,500. So I'm going to try to remember that. Let's see if I can. At the bottom, you want to type in slash TP at S space minus 400. I'm going to type around 100 for the y axis because we don't know it, and then minus 3,500. This isn't going to be exact, but if I press enter, it's going to teleport me to that general area, and then it's simply just a matter of looking for that temple. So I teleported to the wrong spot, but if you're near the position, you should be able to find the temple. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.